Accounting, ugh, not a favorite subject. If there's a list of things not to do in business accounting, I probably did them all. Ferris here. Before we get into today's episode, for our new viewers, this show is all about sharing seasoned business advice for startups and entrepreneurs, how to start, grow, and give back. Check out the channel and leave us a comment if you have any questions. Today and in this mini-series, I'm covering the various aspects of accounting, working with bookkeepers and CPAs, when to hire a CFO, and how to move from data entry to analysis and insights. So where do you start? Do you make the professional an employee or do you contract? It depends. The tendency with a lot of founders, in my experience, is to go cheap. I already said, why not to do it yourself? But if cash flow is really tight in the beginning, at the very least, contract with a bookkeeper to set up the main business categories or accounts the right way. I'm talking about revenue, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity, i.e. what your friendly accountant would call your chart of accounts. An accounting system set up right is half the battle. You just can't properly run and manage a business without a solid accounting foundation. Don't just sign up for an accounting software and set it up on your own. You'll regret it and it'll cost a whole lot more in time, opportunity, and money to redo it properly later. That said, in the beginning, especially with only a few expenses and no clients, maybe when you're in your own business ideation phase, you can get by with a simple spreadsheet to track expenses. And if you only have a handful of clients, manual invoices would do it. There are simple templates in Word, Excel, or Google Docs, but only do that in the very beginning. And remember to categorize your expenses as they occur and keep your receipts electronically backed up with meaningful file names. Don't be sloppy. Once you have employees and clients, you must get either a bookkeeper or an office manager with accounting or bookkeeping experience. But don't waste time learning or having others figure out terms like general ledger, journal entries, or double entry accounting. That time should be spent on improving your product or service and generating sales. You do need basic accounting and financial literacy to understand P&L, profit and loss, and balance sheets, but don't get bogged down in details. Take a basic accounting course or watch a video series from an expert. When you start growing, hiring people, paying contractors, buying equipment, the need for financial professionals grows with you. My recommendation is, from day one, contract with a bookkeeper to do all of your bookkeeping. Whether they come to your office or work remotely, doesn't matter. It may feel awkward, uneasy, risky, or vulnerable, but yes, you have to give them access to your business bank account, your credit card account, and payroll. They'll need access and visibility to make sure everything is set up properly. If you're looking for a rule of thumb on how much your business should be spending on accounting, you'll come across different percentages. I'd say a general benchmark is 3 to 4%. It'll depend on your revenue, size, and other factors, but it shouldn't be zero or near zero. A bookkeeper can give you reports, P&L statements, and track your balance sheet, your assets and liabilities. They'll look at everything and even reconcile your accounts. Get in the habit of scheduling a monthly session, even for 30 minutes, to review where your money is coming from and where it's going. As you continue to grow, at some point, you may need to hire an accountant or CPA, either part-time or full-time, or hire a fractional accounting and finance firm. The latter will provide you with a turnkey solution from experts without having to pay a full-time salary plus benefits for multiple financial resources. These professionals will manage your evolving needs from your accounts payable, paying vendors, and accounts receivables, collecting from customers, revenue recognition, purchasing, and a long list of accounting functions you did not know existed. You have been warned. Don't do accounting on your own. In the next episode of this mini-series, I'll cover working with financial controllers and CFOs, when you need to hire them, and what to expect. But before we wrap up, it's time to give back. Giving back feels good, and it's great to donate cash and other assets when you can. Make sure you speak with your accountant or financial advisor to maximize your donations for tax deductions and credits. I hope most people don't give solely for the benefit of deductions, but why not take advantage of the government's benevolence? If you're enjoying these tips on accounting best practices in our video series on growing your business, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.